Hey guys, so I wanted to give you just kind of a quick update. I think actually right around a year ago, I showed you guys some wheels that I had gotten from Spinergy, and it was a new release for them, and they gave them to me to test out and put them and see if they were Dom proof. And boy, have they turned out to be just absolutely amazing. Um, these are their, it's an SLX wheel. It's an 18 spoke, and they do it in a 24-inch setup so that with these knobby tires, actually, I think it's a 22-inch that they do. It's a little bit confusing because I think they do it in a 22-inch rim, but it's a 24-inch tire. Um, it actually comes out to a 24. It's a 24 by 2.20, otherwise known as a 56-507. And the tires that are on here are the Kenda Booster Pros. They're a gravel tire, and they have been absolutely fantastic both on-road and off-road. And I say that kind of backwards because they're meant for an off-road situation. And up here on the ranch, I have been working with these now, and they have held up absolutely fantastic. It's a gravel tread, so you actually don't have a lot on the crown. So rolling around on the pavement works out really well. It's a lot easier, and then you've got really good side lugs for when you get a little deeper into the dirt and gravel and things like that. They run a 20-inch push ring on it, and this one's got the TC push ring, which these stainless steel TC push rings, this one's the TC Max, so this one's got the extra contouring. It's like ovalized, this thing has just proven to be absolutely amazing. Um, and as I look at it, there's little spots where you could see that my welding embers didn't stick when welding mild steel. So it shows that this is real stainless. This is good stainless. Um, I've run these throughout the summer in Arizona and the winter up here in Montana, and they have proven to be amazing in temperature management of they just don't get super cold, they don't get super hot, and if they do, they don't stay for very long. um, this tread on here, these tires are the original tires that I got when I got these rims a year ago, and the tread is holding up. This is the longest I have ever been able to keep one single tire on my wheel for any duration. Typically, a road tire like Schwabies and things like that will last me, boy, 6 months if I'm lucky, typically about 3 to 4 months. This is a year and still going. It's absolutely amazing. So I cannot say enough about this Spinergy wheel. Contact Spinergy if you are interested. These, I really say, absolute good setup. And that's all I can think of. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.